Manchester United took the lead in the first half with goals from Kuna, marking his first for the club, and Casemiro, whose strike was deflected off Ayari. Bryan Mbeumo scored twice, including a late emphatic finish to seal the win. Brighton, Welbeck and Costula scored late to put pressure on United and create a tense finale. The final score was 4-2. Expected goals were 1.13 for Man U and 1.07 for Brighton. Brighton had more shots, 15-13, and controlled possession with 58% compared to United 42%. Top performers for Manchester United were Mbeumo, Kuna and Lemons, while Kadioglu and Welbeck led for Brighton. Manchester United started in a flexible 3-4-3 system with Yoro, De Ligt and Shaw in defence, Amad and Dalot as wing-backs, Casemiro and Fernandes forming a midfield double pivot, and Mbeumo, Kuna and Sesko leading the attack. This setup gave them balance, width and multiple attacking options. Brighton lined up in a 4-2-3-1 formation. Welbeck started on the left but frequently drifted centrally to support transitions and create space for the striker in midfield. The back four included De Cooper, Dunk, Van Heck and Wiffer, with Baleba and Ayari holding midfield. United's wing-backs, especially Amad, pushed high and wide, stretching Brighton's defence. Fernandes drifted into the right half space, acting as an advanced midfielder. Casemiro anchored midfield, recycling possession and providing defensive cover. On the other hand, Yoro and De Ligt occasionally split to allow Shaw or Heaven to join wide attacks. The front three, Kuna, Mbeumo and Sesko, interchanged position fluidity to make marking difficult for opposition. Mbeumo made diagonal runs inside the box, while Sesko dropped deeper to link play or receive long passes. During extended possession, United resembled a 3-2-5, with wing-backs joining the attack, Fernandes near the box and Casemiro anchoring try. Brighton tried building from the back, but their full-backs were pinned by United's high wing-backs, limiting their typical. Brighton's wide players, Welbeck and Minte, tucked inside while attacking, creating an almost 2-3-5 with Rutter moving and Kadioglu rotating wide. Player of the match was Bryan Mbeumo. Manchester United currently sit 6th in the Premier League with 16 points. Brighton are 13th with 12 points.